Hello everyone. It is now 12:35 on Saturday, January the 29th, 2022. And what you're looking at is this. You can tell by the snow in my window that this is the blizzard has been going for a couple of hours steady right now. Can't really see that it's snowing in the video because it is about the best footage that I can get of it. I can go out into the hallway and take another video out there, but I cannot. I have to keep this video very brief. But it is blowing out there. It may not look like it, but you can see those trees just swinging up there. And the snow is blowing out there. So I'm only going to make this a short video, and Miss Maisie is right there. So we are going to, I'm just going to make this a very short video because I need to conserve my battery. So I will take a video from out in the hallway. Yes, Maisie likes to get into the pictures, you can see, but I tried to take a video from my deck, but I opened up the door and I really couldn't get much out there because there's snow kind of blowing inside of my window because the screen never got put down in there. So I'll have to work on that a little bit later. But anyways, Joanna and Maisie are going to sign off for now, and I will be back in another couple of hours. Take care, everyone.